to utilize the support feature, which allows for overdrafting an account by $20 to $200 without fees. Depending on individual eligibility, several steps must be taken. First, the feature must be enabled through the mobile app by clicking on the gear icon. Then scrolling down to the support section and toggling on the fee-free option. Upon enabling this feature, a personal limit is assigned, indicating the maximum amount that can be borrowed. This limit, which initially may be as low as $50, can increase with more frequent use. The support feature can be used for debit card purchases and ATM withdrawals, but it does not apply to spending money through certain payment services. When using the feature to withdraw cash at an ATM, the assigned limit can be withdrawn even if the account balance is zero. The borrowed amount is automatically repaid with the next direct deposit, and the limit can increase up to $200 based on the frequency of direct deposits. The more frequent the deposits, the higher the potential limit. Overall, the support feature provides a convenient way to access funds when needed, with the flexibility to repay the amount with the next direct deposit.